Imagine a world where an animal disappears, not for days, not for months, but for years, decades, even centuries. No footprints, no sounds, no sightings, just silence. Scientists declare it extinct. People forget it ever existed. And then one day, out of nowhere, it comes back, alive. In today's video, we're exploring the top 10 animals that were thought extinct, but were seen again. Some were missing for over 100 years. Some were known only from fossils. And some might still disappear forever. Stay till the end, because number 1 is a story that may not have a happy ending.
Number 10, Bermuda petrel. Hundreds of years ago, this small seabird filled the skies of Bermuda. Sailors described their loud cries at night, echoing across the ocean like ghosts. But when humans arrived, everything changed. They hunted the birds for food and introduced animals like rats that destroyed their nests. Slowly, their numbers dropped, until one day, they were gone. By the 1600s, the Bermuda petrel was officially declared extinct. For over 300 years, no one saw them again. Generations grew up believing they were lost forever. But in 1951, a group of researchers made an incredible discovery. On a remote rocky island, hidden deep inside narrow burrows, a small group of Bermuda petrels was still alive. It was like time had stopped for them. Today, conservation efforts are helping them recover. Their population is still small, but growing. A true comeback story.
Number 9, Takahe. The takahe is a bird that cannot fly, but its story rises above extinction. Once widespread across New Zealand, it slowly disappeared as predators and habitat loss took over. By the late 1800s, it was declared extinct. For decades, there were no sightings, until 1948, an expedition into the remote mountains found something shocking. A small group of takahe, alive, hidden in a place humans rarely visited. Since then, conservation programs have helped protect them. They are still rare, but no longer gone.
Number 8,
Coelacanth. Imagine a creature that lived millions of years ago, alongside dinosaurs. Scientists believed the coelacanth had gone extinct 65 million years ago. It existed only in fossils, until 1938. A fisherman caught a strange fish, unlike anything seen before. When scientists studied it, they realized something unbelievable. This was the coelacanth, alive. A creature thought lost to history, swimming in modern oceans. This discovery shocked the world. It proved that extinction is not always what it seems.
Number 7, black-naped pheasant pigeon.
For over 140 years, this bird was missing. No one had seen it. Many believed it was extinct. But in 2022, scientists set up hidden cameras deep in the jungle. For days, nothing happened. Then suddenly, a bird appeared on screen, walking calmly across the forest floor. It was the black-naped pheasant pigeon, alive after more than a century. Proof that even in silence, life can still exist.
Number 6, Laotian rock rat. This story feels almost impossible. Scientists believed this animal had been extinct for millions of years. It was known only from fossils. But then, it was discovered in a local market, being sold as food. A living fossil, walking among humans, unnoticed. This discovery changed everything. It reminded scientists that sometimes we haven't found everything yet.
Number 5. Night parrot.
For nearly 100 years, this bird was never seen. It became a mystery, a legend. Some believed it was extinct until 2013. A photograph confirmed its existence. The night parrot was still alive, hidden in the harsh Australian wilderness, a survivor in the shadows.
Number 4. Saola.
Known as the Asian unicorn, the saola is one of the rarest animals alive. Discovered only recently, it has been seen very few times. So rare that some fear it may already be gone. But small signs suggest it still survives somewhere, waiting to be found again.
Number 3. Ivory-billed woodpecker.
A bird surrounded by mystery. Declared extinct, yet still reported by some. Blurry videos, distant calls. Is it still alive? No one knows. But hope still remains.
Number 2. Fernandina giant tortoise.
For over 100 years, this giant tortoise was believed extinct. No sightings, no evidence, until 2019. On a remote volcanic island, scientists found a single female tortoise, alive. After a century, it was like discovering a living legend. Now, scientists search for others, hoping she is not alone. Because if she is, time may be running out.
Number 1. Kakapo. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand. Once abundant, it nearly vanished due to predators and habitat loss. At one point, it was on the edge of extinction, but conservation efforts brought it back. Slowly, carefully, its population began to grow again. Today, it is still one of the rarest birds, but it is alive, a symbol of hope, proof that extinction can sometimes be reversed.